Having a good handle on document management is vital for a wide range of business workflows. Whether you're in construction, finance, or really any sector at all, having easy access to supporting materials is going to be crucial for maintaining efficient and effective collaboration amongst your team. It's quite possible that today you have several different software systems as part of your day-to-day workflow that require access to the very supporting materials that I'm talking about. However, you may be finding it challenging to keep these documents well organized across all of these different platforms. And if you're anything like us over here at Juiced, you've started to notice that some of the costs associated with file storage are really starting to add up. Now, even if you have the organization part on your end handled well and you have the costs under control, the reality is that having these files and documents all over the place leave open some potential difficulties for everyone on your team to find what they need when they need to find it, which is ultimately going to lead to delays in project completion and hinder timely decision making, which is affecting your bottom line. So if you find yourself struggling with any of the challenges that I just mentioned or want to avoid them in the future, you're going to want to stick around for the rest of this video where I'm going to be introducing you, or really Matt is going to be introducing you to our newest Quickbase add-on, Document Portal. Document Portal is going to provide you with quick and easy access to upload and download files all in one central location. No more looking around for where they are. You're going to know exactly where they are. And this is going to ensure that everyone on your team has the visibility and trackability that they need of those business critical documents and files exactly when they need them. Document Portal is also going to allow you to upload multiple files into Quickbase at once and simultaneously update fields on related records in your application, enhancing your overall productivity. So without further ado, I'm going to hand this thing over to Matt, and he's going to show you how Document Portal works.
Hello, Quickbase community, and thank you very much for the introduction, Justin. Today, we're going to be going over our new document portal. For those of you clients of ours that have used our Amazon S3, Amazon S3 Basic, Dropbox multi-file, or our traditional multi-file attachment uploader, this is going to look very familiar in the sense of the workflow, but the UI is going to be very much more updated, and you're going to appreciate all of the new features and functionality we have along with it. So without further ado, let me jump right in to the document portal. So what you're seeing here is you have a very simple relationship. You have projects, site assessments, and files. So today we're just going to be showing you from a site assessment how you could upload many site assessment photos. So you might have just saw me click on the document portal button. Now we brought up the add-on itself. So you can see here, we have some pretty easy navigation for you guys to follow along with. So on the left sidebar, we have a refresh, we have delete, we have upload, download, grid edit, as well as some configuration settings that an admin can show or not, and you could easily toggle these on or off depending on what you're trying to see. So we'll just close that for now, and let's go ahead and upload our first file. So maybe we just want to upload a flooring file, right? And the type we're going to put as maybe material organization, and we could hit save, and now we just have our single file uploaded, which now we can kind of go in after and hit our toggle grid edit, maybe put a rating that the flooring looks like a 5, and the notes say great. Okay, only I can spell great. There we go. And check. Awesome. So now we have our one record in there, but of course for most of you, you want to be able to upload multiple at once. So if you just hit Control on your keyboard and click all of the photos you want to include and hit open, you could put a type for all of these, hit save, and it will upload all of these files in one bulk for you. So now you can see that the material type is area cleaning for all of these. Maybe one of them you don't want to have area cleaning. You could always come back in and change that after to maybe have that be misc hazards. Of course, then you can kind of go in and maybe all of these are 5. So you can hit now fill down, and each and every one of these options will then get that 5 rating as well. And then for the notes, of course, if you wanted to go in, you could put great for this one, maybe awesome for this one, and so on and so forth. You guys get the gist. We also do numeric fields, date fields, currency fields. So whatever real options you need besides iframes, we can help you there. So when you're done, you can hit the check mark and save. Now these have been uploaded. And when you close it out, of course, it allows you to then see those uploaded files as child records onto the files table, which you can see in this report right here, which we have all of the fields updated with the values we put in there. And of course, once you're done, hit view file, and you could open that full house image as well for some quick viewing. Now, the other option you have is you could open up that doc portal again, and this is one of those new features we were talking about, and maybe you want to click all of them and hit download. So now you're actually able to download a full zipped file with all of your photos right like that. So that makes getting these super quick and easy. And of course, when you are working with tens and potentially even 100+ photos in one time, that's going to make your life exponentially easier and of course save you time. So that's what we want to do here. So that's just one example of ways you can use this tool to streamline your workflows. So I'm just going to close this out again. And I just want to also mention that something like site assessments is typically done through a mobile device. And we all know that being able to work out in the field is becoming increasingly more popular and more important. So we're also going to quickly show you how to utilize this tool from your mobile device or your tablet. And then also I just want to note to you guys that this will be available November 18th, and we're excited to show you guys how you can get started today. But let me go ahead and switch over to that mobile version so you guys can see that demo as well. So now let's see the document portal from the mobile device version. So I'm going to click on Document Portal Mobile now. And this is going to open up my browser, which is going to allow me to access Document Portal. So what you may see here is those 5 files we just uploaded to this record via the browser on your computer, on the desktop. So let's go through. You have that same navigation at the top here. So you can see that we have grid edit, upload, download, delete, etc. So let's just go ahead and upload from a photo library or take a photo or video. So if you have people out in the field and they rather just take a photo right from this juiced document portal, they can. But instead, I'm going to choose some photos here. I'm going to select these 3, hit add. I'm going to choose my type as material organization, hit save. All 3 are going to get added. And again, while I'm in the field, I may want to be able to just kind of come in here and add my rating, right? So maybe I want this to be 5, maybe I want this to be 4, and maybe I want to just put some text with this and say, thanks. Something simple like that, right? Once you hit check, that's going to get added. And now you can just close this out. So let's quickly now navigate back to the actual desktop version. So we can just hit refresh on the Quickbase screen. And what your back office people will see are those 3 images that just got uploaded. You can see our thanks, our rating, all the files. So now that back office administrator can go ahead and look at that image and see the picture of the house there. So that's a quick demo of how you could also utilize this from the mobile device and as well as any tablet. Again, this will be released on November 18th, 2024. We're excited to help you guys demo this and get this installed as a trial onto your Quickbase realms now. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please reach out to support@juicetech.com and we'll be more than happy to answer them for you. We look forward to working with you soon, and thank you very much.